Now let us represent geographical data visually, that is locations and such. Remember, we have the states, and when the states are entered, you'll notice that the geographical map appears instantly or directly without making more changes, because we said this is a geographical data. This field represents geographical data. That's why you saw the map appeared automatically. Then we can also edit these map settings. We can change these to, let's say, dark. We can also change this to light. Can further be changed to grayscale, and we'll work with roads. In this case, we can add some controls. We want zoom button, and reduce this auto zoom, and we can have the lasso button, and that is for control. We can add bubbles, increase their size, and also work with the colors. In this case, we can say we want the color to match specific field. This case, what do we want? We don't want count of state. We are working with the orders data. We want this to be count distinct. Let's work with this count and change this. You'll notice now the color changed. You'll notice that we can change to a field map. Field map means that the details will be inside. Let's see what we get here after adding the field map. Yeah, there we go. Each state is filled based on the entry or the cells.